Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to remove or delete a plugin from your WordPress website. So firstly, sign in your WordPress dashboard, then hover cursor to plugins, then here click on installed plugins. Now here guys, find out plugin which you want to uninstall. In my case, I want to uninstall this classic editor. So just deactivate firstly, then click on delete. Similar way, you can delete a plugin. That's it. So thanks for watching, and please comment this video useful for you or not.